How do teams win in the DARPA Triage Challenge? There are 3 competitions in the DARPA Triage Challenge, which are the systems competition, virtual competition, and data competition. In both the systems and virtual competitions, teams will have up to 30 minutes to send their autonomous systems into a simulated mass casualty scenario. The systems competition teams will send their systems into a real-world environment, and in the virtual competition, teams will use virtual systems in a virtual world. Teams may face degraded sensing, including noise, darkness, smoke, wet, and dusty conditions. They may also face terrain obstacles such as mud, gravel, and rubble. After teams have located the casualties, teams need to detect and identify physiological signatures of injury. Teams will be required to have the capability to sense physical attributes at a distance, as they need to keep their systems at least 1 meter away from the casualties. In all competitions, teams will be scored against speed and accuracy. Teams will report injury diagnosis and relevant clinical information. Each casualty report can earn the team up to 10 points each, with an additional 5 points if reported during the golden window. The golden window is a period of time immediately after a traumatic injury during which there is the highest likelihood that prompt medical and surgical treatment will prevent death. In the systems competition, rankings will be determined based on the average of the top 2 scores of the 3 courses. In the virtual competition, the winners will be determined based on the average of at least 5 runs. In the data competition, teams will develop algorithms that will use real-world, de-identified data to identify signatures of injury. Some obstacles the teams in the data competition may face include multiple datasets with varied populations, demographics, and types of injury. They may also face multiple data inputs and raw data that will come from sensor and health records that may include noise, abnormal values, and missing data. Teams will submit their algorithmic solutions, which are then run against data in simulated time intervals, similar to patients experiencing trauma in the real world. Teams are evaluated on sensitivity, specificity, and speed. And that is how you win in the DARPA Triage Challenge. For more information on the DARPA Triage Challenge, check out our website at triagechallenge.darpa.mil.